Here we go again. In Health Watch, cases of whooping cough are spiking across the country. And that's especially true in Texas right now, where they're seeing 10 times as many cases as in 2023. Nationally, cases are up 6 times from last year. There are several factors behind the spike in cases, including fewer parents getting their kids vaccinated.
We've seen an increase in non-medical exemptions to vaccination. I was speaking to the health director in Dallas County yesterday. He was saying normally their back-to-school vaccination clinics are packed. This year, they were very sparsely attended, and part of that is fears about ICE.
Dr. Celine Gounder says there are also waning immunity to vaccinations because of changes made over a decade ago to minimize allergic reactions and side effects.